Yeah, that's okay.
Scared.
Yeah.
Don't eat it.
They make our soil very rich. They are eating all kind of leaves, all things, and they are really our friend. Oh, my friend. They are your friend. Very good. Wow.
Worm doesn't
So,
have an eye.
That's their home. That's where they live, and they have lots of tons
They
of
live in soil.
tons of children there. So, yay, go. Oh.
Phil.
No. Go, stay.
Oh my god.
What's that?
A worm.
Oh, you found another one?
Yes.
What's that? What color is that?
It's kind of yellow.
Ooh. It's like, you know what? It's making circle out there.
Yes. Kind of sleepy.
Oh, guy, are you sleeping here? Are you moving?
You can't move.
Sleeping. It's hibernating, maybe. All right, go to your home.
What's happening?
So this is garden soil. We are going to mix it first. We are using this homemade compost. It's so rich organically rich, and so many red worm I can see here. And we are going to we are reusing this bag, Miracle Grow bag. So we are going to mix here. We are mixing everywhere. 1 bag of organic compost, homemade compost. So this is cow manure. We are using almost more than half bag that we purchased. Right, this one, cow manure, is also highly nutritious. So we are going to spread out 1 bag everywhere. I'm going to mix in a while. Wow, I see already some leaves here that we collected in the fall, and they are in the composting stage. We will compost soon. So we are going to use them right here. They are food for red worm and other microorganisms. This soil, of course, the natural garden soil we have already had, and the compost we bought from a landscape company, the leaves that we collected, cow manure, and our homemade compost. So we are mixing them up, and then our garden will be ready. Alright, let's get ready, mix it up. Okay, I'm putting everything here. We are mixing it off everywhere. So we are leveling up. Now it has all good stuff. So I see all red worm crawling everywhere. Okay guys, go inside and eat some good stuff and poop there. With this, how many potato it has. All right. Okay, let me try to find some. Of course, it has some. Oh wow, it has hardly. I can see still the one which we used before. It has only 1, 2, only 3 from this plant. 4.